Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an AWS S3 bucket and then I will show you how to set the policy for it. In the next part of the video, I'll be showing you how to use the Boto3 library for Python and upload objects into the bucket by using programming language. So let us begin. So when you log in into your AWS console, you will see something like this, and you will have a list of recently visited services. If not, then you can manually type S3 and you will find it here. Anyways, I have it here and I'll click on it. Once it is opened, it can show my previously all the buckets which I have, the region and access which is public and date of creation, so on. But now I want to make a new bucket, so I'll click here, create a bucket. I can select the region, but I'll keep it as it is. And I can now write a name. Now the name of the bucket should be unique for the complete AWS ecosystem. So let me try something unique name. Let me try something like uh, coder in 30 um, hash 123. Okay. And copy settings from existing bucket optional. No, I'll show you how to do it. Block all public access. Now I'm unchecking it. Why? Because I want to show you that when I upload an object, for example an image, to this bucket, yeah, how will I fetch it by using my code? So I'm blocking all public access, I'm sorry, unchecking it, and I acknowledge my result becoming public. Okay. Bucket versioning is something like if I have a copy of the object, the same object, I don't want the previous object to be deleted. So I can keep copies of multiple objects like this. And rest everything will be as it is. Then I'll click on create bucket. And this name was unique, coder in 30 hash 123 dash. Okay. Now let me click on this and I'll be clicking on the permissions. Now I'll be clicking on the edit under the bucket policy. Now I'll click on policy generator. And on this window, step 1, I will check S3 bucket policy. I will allow all effect. Principal will be a star, which means everything, and actions. Now I can select a range of options or actions which I want my bucket to do: create, delete, access, point, and delete object if I so want. But for this video, I'll be showing you specifically how to get an object. Yeah, how to retrieve an object from S3. Then after this, I have to fill the ARN, which if I go back on the previous window, I will copy from here. I'll come to here and paste it. Then a very important thing you need to do is put a forward slash and a star. By this means we can access everything in our bucket. So don't forget this. Then we can click add statement and click on generate policy. So it gives us a JSON file. We copy it, we come back and we paste it, which has the ID of the policy and session ID, action, and everything. And then I click save changes. And I've successfully edited the bucket policy. So one way is to upload manual objects into the bucket. So if I go here, I click on upload and then I need to add a file and I can click any this image, or not only image, it can be a JSON file, it can be, let us say, a document, a doc file, a notepad file, a PDF. It can be any object. Object means any file. So then I click on upload and it is uploaded, which is shown by a green tick. And if I click it, It will give me everything, all information about this object. It is a JPEG image, and we have an ARN and object URL. So if I click on the object URL, you can see my image is opening. Now what I'll be doing again in Boto 3 is I will be showing you how to get this object from the coding language itself and open it automatically. Now the benefits of Amazon S3 are huge, trust me. Why? Because not only you can store images, JSON file, document, but even you can use it to host your static website. Some people even use Amazon S3 as a database. Believe me, they use it primarily as a NoSQL database where they upload JSON file and write their custom ORM and fetch data. And this is a very, very cheap and effective alternative from Amazon to store your data. Okay, so let me see you in the next video. Thank you.